Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Captain Fiddles from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the eyes by drawing 2 circles at the top of the page. Now inside each eye, let's draw a curve on the bottom right. And then let's color these both in black. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's move down and draw the mouth. Let's start with a curve. Then curve it down on both sides. And then another curve underneath to close it off. And now let's color the mouth in black. Next, let's add 2 teeth on top with triangle shapes. And that's it for the face. Next, let's draw the shape of the body. Let's start by drawing a large curve on top like this. Then for the ends, let's curve it down on both sides. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw a curve up and back down. Now let's finish drawing the arms. From the ends, let's draw another longer curve down on both sides. And the same thing on the right side. Now let's draw the hand at the end with another curve like this. And then lastly, one more curve inside for the fingers. And that's it for the arms. Let's move back inside and draw the legs. Let's start underneath the sides and let's draw another curve down. And then one more bump on both sides. Now let's hop up in the center here and let's draw a curve for the top of the legs. Then curve it down on the left and on the right. And then from the bottom of this inside line, let's curve it down and out. And then let's close off the foot with 3 pointed toes. And that's it for Captain Fiddles. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!